Hi, this is Dale and Cherry Rose. We're living on the road from Boulder, Colorado, and having a great time. Onward Bound.
Onward Bound.
I will smack you.
That whole thing all the way?
Yeah.
Holy crap. You're going to have one sturdy bicep at the end of it.
Rio Grande Nature Trail, 2 miles to the end of the trail. Dogs must be on leash. Come here, Moo-moo.
So we got Queen Aja here.
Moo-moo,
of the
stay.
Smackahoe.
Good girl.
So we got Queen Aja here of the Smackahoe tribe
Oh, jeez.
with her magical staff of undoing.
You shall not pass. This place is beautiful.
Yeah.
Does anybody know anything about this place?
Are you gonna leash train Luna for me?
Yeah, she already did good because we've been,
She does do good.
yeah. We started walking the trail. The views out there are amazing. Look at the mountains in the distance. It's a nice trail though. Very dusty trail, but still nice.
She has a portable thing.
I did that too.
That's
Well,
sort of like
she
what I
was
want
on
to
her
do.
roof now too. We put it on her roof as well. And I also put in plugs, like I was talking about doing for you, so she could plug in her portable solar directly to her battery.
So it's just going down by the river. If y'all didn't know, this is the Rio Grande River. We just came upon it. It's pretty dry out here and dusty. It's just now starting to open up and get green. We were around a lot of shrubbery.
Wow, that's a hairy poop.
What?
There's a really hairy poop over there.
It was all hair.
Yeah, like they poop hair. She's getting hot already.
I know, that's why I said we should have waited till later to do
That's
the
what
lot.
I said. You said no. Let's
No,
go.
I said he wants to go it now. I said that's fine.
Well, when did you want to wait?
There's some kind of dam structure over there that's pretty cool. That's a closer look at it right there. Pretty neat. It's diverting the river. Some of it goes up that way and then the rest goes downstream. Not much of it though, it seems. We're carrying on. They're way up there. I wanted to stop and film that. That breeze feels nice because it is a bright sunny day today. So we have grasslands and mountains on this side and the river and like shrubbery, greens, trees and stuff over here. Come across a stream. This is separate from the river. I'm sure they get the water from the river. This just runs along this whole field. Not sure if they use it for watering. It's usually what these kind of gullies or streams are for. So it seems like there was some kind of bridge that they were going to build here, but it doesn't look like they finished it. I see another structure up there where they are. Maybe that's a finished bridge. Moo-moo, come on. Let's go.
What are we doing?
It seems like the river is really low. Look at there. Yeah, that definitely looks low. So here's another structure. It's not complete, but it looks like they can put tracks in it, like that one right there. So where vehicles can get over on this side. I don't know, it doesn't look very stable though. Hey Luna. I guess we're turning around because they've turned around. It's a hot day today. Usually I like to go later towards the evening, but we decided to go, or Seth wanted to go earlier. So, but it's hot and there are horseflies buzzing around. Oh well, I think we are turning around. Yeah, look at the river. It looks pretty low. Low, low, low. Flies are attacking?
Horseflies are attacking.
Because we're 1 mile here. There's still 1 more mile.
You guys can go ahead. It's too hot. And
I know. We should have waited.
Yeah, I thought we were gonna go later at night. This is
At
you.
5 p.m.
All on you.
Yeah, 5 p.m. is beautiful. It's like it's really cool feeling. It's just the day starts to cool down and the sun starts to go down. Everything looks so beautiful. You know, it's called the golden hour. I think.
6:30 when we head out. 5 is still.
So yeah, we are headed back as it is quite hot out. But there is a drive through this reserve, and we're gonna take you on that as well. I've reached the shrubbery, so we're almost back to Panda. Note to self, don't try to do a hike midday. It's really freaking hot. I should have did what I thought and waited till later. Ooh, but we made it back. There is Panda. That's pretty right there. Alright. This right here is the road I was talking about that we're going to go on. It kind of loops the preserve and then comes back out the road that we need to go.
81, 88, 90, 88, 84, 81, 81, 85. It's just the next couple days are going to be really hot.
Right. We're checking the temps for where we're going to be. We're thinking about heading up to Buena Vista early because it's going to be cooler.
See here it's 84, 90, 91,
Right, 90.
86.
I thought it was supposed to be cool here, but it's not, so I'd
No,
rather
it's just
get out of
Tuesday,
here.
Wednesday, Thursday is going to be really... Tally ho!
Tally ho! This is the auto part, the auto drive of the preserve. It's really beautiful. It's got the mountains in the distance as the background.
Wait.
Awesome, awesome. What is that?
I'll read it. Could pull up a little bit.
Okay.
Welcome to the Alamosa National Wildlife Refuge Auto Tour. This auto tour route winds through the natural, rich wetlands and valuable upland shrub habitats of the wildlife refuge. And there are upland views of the wetlands, water birds, and the Rio Grande will greet you at every turn. Majestic vistas of the Sangre de Cristo and San Juan Mountains provide a stunning backdrop of the horizon. So this is a 3.5 mile trail that goes through all the different types of areas that the National Wildlife Refuge has to offer.
So a lot of the wildlife actually hide in the cattail marsh. The deeper water surrounds some of the cattail, keeping coyotes, skunks, and other predators out. Isn't this beautiful? This is the dense cover for the nesting birds. And the dang flies that bite. Sorry. These are the birds. They have the owl, the snipe, the cinnamon teal, northern harrier, and western meadowlark. Pretty cool. Such a beautiful spot. All right, time to carry on. Oh, I'm gonna drive off into the ditch. All right, we're carrying on. Danny's already way ahead of us. She's at the other point. This is really beautiful. I love the wetlands. Wetlands. Sound like I said lens. So many pretty flowers. Oh, there's a bird on the road. Run, bird, run! Oh, there's a couple birds on the road. Run! Go, 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 fly. You have wings. Fly. It's just running. It's not even flying. It's like, I'm just gonna run real fast. We're getting up to another sign, so we're gonna stop here. Oh, Danny is gone. She's so fast.
She's already up and left.
Just tell me what it says. It says the Rio Grande. Oh, it's talking about the river.
Hold on. Oh, it's talking about how the Rio Grande provides all the sustenance for the area.
The sustenance for the area, for the wildlife, you mean?
The Rio Grande providing needed water. The river you see beyond the irrigation canal may look like any other, but it has international importance. Wow, I never knew that. This is the Rio Grande, which eventually forms the boundary between the United States and Mexico. Its headwaters are the West Munish Wilderness of the San Juan Mountains. I'm not exactly sure on how to pronounce that one, so yeah.
Sounds good. We'll go with that. 75 miles west of here is where it starts. Snow melt from the Sangre de Cristo basically forms the canal, and it flows all the way down to Mexico. This is raptors and resident wildlife. The refuge is a haven to both migratory and resident wildlife. The vegetation feeds and hides year-round residents like rabbits and rodents. In turn, many hawks and other raptors feed on these small mammals. Some hawks, like the rough-legged hawk, only winter in the refuge. Northern harriers, golden eagles, and short-eared owls are among the several kinds of birds of prey that can be seen on the refuge year-round. We are continuing on.
We're continuing on through.
Stop. Seth, I'm recording. Seth. Okay, we are continuing on through this beauty. I swear to God, I'm gonna grab something that's gonna be painful for you. Alright, we are continuing on. There are some signs up here. So beautiful here. 2 signs. Ooh, we get 2 signs here.
Beautiful double signs.
You sound like Eric off of Cartman. Off of South Park.
My best Eric Cartman.
Is it? Yeah. Sounded like you were going for that.
Signs. We're going to the bird.
Look at these birds just want to be in the way. Okay, so let's see. The last sign is washed out, so we don't know what it says. We are continuing on and getting closer to the... Oh my God, they're right when they say you're like a...
being a goober.
Luna, chill out.
She thinks it's crazy when I do that. Watch.
See, she's ignoring you. She's like, I don't have time for you, sir.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that. You what?
I think we're almost at the end of it.
I think we are too. So we are almost to the end. We're just gonna continue on. I think Jenny already left because I don't see her anymore.
I think she's gonna text her. She's gonna be like, I'm in Leadville.
She said, I'm in Leadville. I'll see y'all when you get here.
Yep.
Management tools create healthy habitats. As you've seen, there are many different types of habitats, from wetlands to uplands at the Alamosa Refuge. This habitat diversity provides homes for many kinds of plants and animals. So the refuge managers use a variety of tools such as fires, grazing, and water management to maintain habitats, diversity, and health. All right, we're getting to the end of the wetlands and the end of the tour.